So you have to measure 9 inches length by 7 inches width. We're gonna cut it. So this is ready to sew. You're gonna cut 5 inches for the inside. The width is 5 inches. So that's 9 inches length and 7 inches width. Face the fabric facing each other in the right side or smoother side, or what side you want to come out in the front. So you have to face it together like that. And for the inside, I use white. I moist it with water first and fold the end, and then I run it first with iron. And I sew the edges, one more fold like that. Okay, so like this, we sew the edges. Then you're gonna put this underneath, okay? Find the center first. I use my pencil. And put this inside. Right there. Put the elastic 1/2 from the top and 1/2 from the bottom. Now for the elastic, I use my cotton hair tie. I cut this in half like that. Cut this in half, then the half I use it here. It's very comfortable because it's cotton elastic. Backstitch over the elastic band. So backstitch over the elastic band again. 2 inches opening in the bottom or in the side. Backstitch again over the elastic. See, we leave this opening here for us to turn inside out. Sticks or barbecue sticks to turn this inside out. So you find the opening right here. Then, if it's not big enough of the opening, you have to cut some thread. There you go. Make sure the stick is not pointed, okay? Here you go. So the opening here, we're gonna press it, press the edges down. You're gonna press it with your front finger or with an iron. We're gonna stitch that together. So we have 3 layers of the fabric, one in the front, one in the inside, and third in the middle. Now we're gonna fold this to make a plate. So fold it like that. Fold in the center. Iron. Then make a pleat, 1/2, like that. So what's the middle? is the other side, pleating, the other side. Okay, here you go. Then we are ready to sew all around. Sew this around, okay? Then last, you have to backstitch. There you go. And here you go, guys. Then the inside, this one, like that. Ready? Like that. Or if you want more thicker, you wanna put a bra, put padding, and insert here. Like that. You want it thicker or like that. See? You can put a belt inside to make it thicker. I cut some belt to insert in the middle. So you take out the bra, put the belt here. Like that. Okay. Here you go. If you don't have a bra padding and a belt, you can use thinner pads. You can cut this in half and stick it right there. See? Here you go. Ta-da! You can use it just like this. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.